YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And y'all, today I did a thing. I purchased this purse from Aliexpress. It's a designer dupe. It's the actual designer dupe of the NWT Machino. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but the Jeremy Scott type of leather jacket purse little. Let me just show y'all. So I haven't opened it yet. It's still in the package. And y'all, I like stuff that's different. Oh, my nail's stuck. So I'm just like, why not? I just thought it was so cute just to have. Y'all, this is so adorable. And it has the gold hardware. And if you kind of look at it, it kind of gives you like Chanel vibes of like the Chanel type of sweater cardigan with the, you know, the detailing. And these are like little pockets. Okay, you can't put nothing in them, but it just gives you the illusion of pockets. And it's quilted. The arms actually look like little arms. And the top part has the two little hangers for the actual strap itself, so you can wear it as probably like a crossbody. It's stuffed with plastic. If I can get the chain out. Hold on. Okay. Technical difficulties. Okay. Alright, here we go. So this is so cute. Okay, so I wouldn't be able to use this as a crossbody because this is very short as far as the length of this, but I could always get a longer strap. You know, they sell stuff like that on Amazon, but this is so cute. And I felt like this was just so different. Well, I probably wear it depending on if I'm like going somewhere and I want to go through for like a leather type vibe, maybe like a leather jacket, some nice boyfriend jeans, or some ripped up jeans with some thigh high boots. And you can dress this up or down, like maybe with like a casual v-neck t-shirt, and like it's definitely a vibe. They have this big old bubble thing that I cannot get out of here, y'all. But in the inside, it's pretty spacious. You see that big bubble? I can't get it out, y'all. But it's spacious. So as wide this part is, this is how much stuff you can put in this bag. And I like it. I got this from Aliexpress. I want to say this was under $20, under $25, roughly under $30. I'm not sure. But yeah, I just typed in, what was it, biker jacket purse, leather jacket purse, or just jacket purse, and this came up, and I'm just like, this was so cute. They had different type of kinds to use. Yo, this light just went out. hold on, sorry about that. So yeah, they had different types. So if you don't like this version, they have like fleece ones, or the ones with like the collars, miniature ones. But I thought this was just so cute. And then the real one right here, it says Machino. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but y'all, this is so pretty. And at the bottom, it has the hardware legs that just sits flat. And y'all, I thought this was just so cute. This is so me. So yeah, this was just my little unboxing. There's more to come, but y'all, I couldn't wait to show y'all this little miniature purse. And even if you carry it with like a little strap, definitely a vibe. But I hope to see you guys on the next video.